go, Fred. Here we go. Oh, yes. Got it.
Yeah, baby.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading out on the boat for some top water fishing. We've got two main lures that we're going to be using today, the striker and the wobbler. One is a mackerel patterned top water lure which has been really effective, and the other one's like a silver coloured lure with some golden eyes which has also been very effective, the bass this year. So straight into the action then with the top waters on the drone. Let's go.
Oh, yes. Oh my god, there's so many following it. There's 5 behind it. These one's coming. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Go for a complete pause. Oh, mate. Oh, there's a garfish there. Oh, and a bass following. Oh, the gar's going for it. That's a big catfish as well. Yeah. Oh, bass did come up for it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, over there, Fred. Fred, look. See the bait then?
Yeah. Can I cast?
Yeah, go for it, mate. Another little beauty.
Right at the back.
Where?
Like,
Nice. Bass on here. Oh, fish on.
nice. Oh, it's a bit like a
Slightly bigger.
If you're interested in getting your hands on any of the top water lures, whether it's the wobbler, the striker or the splasher, then please head over to lazyluresfishing.com. All the links can be found in the description below.
Oh. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's not very big. In fact, it's no, same lure. Oh no. Another bass on the 125mm striker.
beauty.
Fred. So it's, mate, I'm telling you, it's the action. It's got to be aggressive. The slow and steady is not the play. Yeah. They're only small. Number 6.
As you'll see in the next clip, I unfortunately had a lost fish, which did seem quite big. We were on the back of a wreck, and it could have either been a ling or a pollock or something like that, but it was big enough to snap my line, which was quite frustrating.
Here we go, Fred. Here we go. Oh, come on.
No.
Oh no.
Oh,
mate,
big.
he was big. Oh,
Is it still on?
no, mate, came off.
Having not much luck out here on the outer reef, we decided to put the camera down to the bottom to see what was going on. Every time we were dropping the lures down, we were getting like a slack line about halfway down, and we couldn't quite work out what it was. And it turns out it was a bloom of some kind of jellyfish. But as you can see, it's quite cool. There's a few cuckoo wrasse down there, as well as some pollock, but some crystal clear water. Very cool to see in about 40-50 metres of water.
Where's your line?
Huh? There's some weird tide thing.
Can you get this fish up?
Mate, I'm trying. Yes.
Nice. At least you got one.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
No.
Better fish. Yeah, baby.
That's bass probably number 10 we've had today. We're probably like 15 between us. Fred's using the wobbler and I've got the striker on. But yeah, nice fish again.
Big fish.
Go for a...
Ooh! He had a weird mark on his back. Literally jumped clean out the water. Look how they're fighting. See him? All the way out there.
No. We're in the spot again.
Literally.
Oh!
Oh, sorry, one second.
I got that on film.
Nice. One big one there, isn't there?
Yeah. Oh!
Nice, hard. Big or not?
No. Nice take though, but... Oh! Straight away.
Oh, there's a monster.
Oh no. Oh.
I recognise his mate, but I don't know how.
Yeah, I feel like the same.
He was friendly, to be fair.
Yeah. Oh. Of course I wasn't scratching my head. Got it.
Oh my god, as you were scratching your head.
Literally twice.
Is it big?
You in?
No,
Pliers are so handy, aren't they?
yeah, they're good, to be fair.
That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, reference the gear that I'm using, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe. It's completely free to do so. It just notifies you every time I release a new video. That's it for this week, and I'll see you on the next one.
Whoa. Bass number 14. Right on the surface again. Absolutely smashed it.